Hey guys, hope everybody's having a great week. It is definitely a fall day out here today. I told you guys I was going to do a life insurance video this week. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Jason Miller. I'm an insurance agent with Second State Insurance here in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. I'm also a licensed life insurance agent. When I knew I was going to be doing this video, I started thinking about whether or not I wanted to share my personal experience. But I figured if I'm going to ask you guys to talk about life insurance with your spouses, your family, that I wanted to share my story. My mother passed away at 63 years old unexpectedly in 2020. We had never really talked about life insurance. I know it's not the most comfortable subject to talk about. At the time she passed away, we didn't even know if she had life insurance. After talking to her friends and digging through a lot of files, we were fortunate enough to find a policy that was, it was enough to give her a proper send-off. I didn't think about life insurance when I was 30 years old, 40 years old. I didn't think about it much, didn't give it much thought. The reason I wanted to talk to you younger folks today about life insurance is because what you might not understand is as you get older, of course, life insurance gets a lot more expensive to purchase, and God forbid you have a bad health diagnosis or something like that. It can make you uninsurable or very, very expensive to insure, very cost prohibitive. I ran a quote today for a healthy 35-year-old male non-nicotine user for a $100,000 10-year term policy. It was $11.70 a month. I added what they call a children's term rider onto that policy. So let's assume that 35-year-old had children. For $24 a month total, he could insure himself for $100,000 for 10 years and give his children $25,000 policy each for the 10-year term. Now the chances of him using the insurance by the time he's 45 years old is probably pretty slim. But the great part about it is that it will lock you in to your current health status for the rest of your life as far as life insurance is concerned. So there's something called convertibility. Convertibility means that you can take your current term policy, let's say in 5 years you decide you wanted to change that, turn it into a whole life policy. Without proof of insurability, no matter what your current health status is, no matter what disease you may have, you are insured at the same health you were when you got that original insurance policy. So I urge you guys to talk about this and think about this while you're young. $11.70 a month for a healthy 35-year-old male for a $100,000 policy. Get your foot in the door, and you will be guaranteed to have good life insurance rates for the rest of your life. I can be reached at 412-356-9221. Happy to get you a quote for whatever type of life insurance, whatever amount you'd like to talk about. But the important thing is to get yourself something. Please reach out to me. Have a great week, guys. Thank you very much.